What happened to Jeffrey MacDonald after the trial? What happened to Jeffrey MacDonald after the trial? This question has intrigued many since his conviction in 1979 for the brutal murders of his pregnant wife and 2 young daughters. After the trial, MacDonald was sentenced to 3 consecutive life sentences and has remained in prison ever since. Despite his ongoing claims of innocence, his conviction has been upheld through numerous appeals over the years. MacDonald's health has become a significant issue in recent times. He suffers from chronic kidney disease, skin cancer, and high blood pressure. These health concerns led his legal team to request compassionate releases, arguing that he was a model prisoner and nearing the end of his life. However, a federal judge denied this request. The judge cited legal limitations because MacDonald's crimes occurred before laws allowing such judicial discretion were enacted. In 2020, MacDonald made headlines again when he waived his opportunities for parole not once, but twice. This decision surprised many, as it indicated he was not seeking an early releases despite his health challenges. In 2021, he ended an appeal for releases after a court refused to grant it, meaning he continues to serve his sentences in a Maryland prison. From a true crime perspective, MacDonald's case is particularly notable due to its complex legal history. Initially, a military investigation found insufficient evidence to proceed with a court-martial. Years later, a civilian trial took place, leading to his conviction. The case gained significant public attention through the book Fatal Vision, written by Joe McGinnis. This book fictionalized aspects of the investigation and trial, shaping public perception of MacDonald and the events surrounding the case. MacDonald's story illustrates the challenges of interpreting forensic evidence and the impact of media on high-profile criminal cases. It also highlights the difficulties faced by individuals seeking post-conviction appeals in serious violent crime cases. Furthermore, the legal constraints around compassionate releases for inmates convicted before certain legislative changes reflected the evolving nature of criminal justice procedures. The prosecution and courts maintain that justice has been served in MacDonald's case, emphasizing the severity of his crimes and the long-standing legal process affirming his guilt. As he continues to serve his sentences, the story of Jeffrey MacDonald remains a compelling chapter in the true crime genre, blending real-life events with cultural depictions that continue to captivate audiences.